I use ChatGPT to build an online image converter tools website. Check out this website. It offers 5 different image converter tools. If you want to make money, then just get Google AdSense approval and place some ads. When someone visits our site, we can make money by displaying Google ads. Let's build this online tool website. If you ask ChatGPT to write code for the image converter website, it will create something stupid or it won't work. So we have to follow divide and conquer strategies. Break down our app into small parts and then use ChatGPT to generate code for each part. Then combine all code and our app will be ready. Step 1. Create basic routes. Default route that returns index.html file. Other routes like JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG, Web to PNG, BMP to PNG and PNG to PDF. All these routes will return relevant HTML templates. Copy this. Go to ChatGPT and paste it. Now ChatGPT is creating routes for our server. Copy this code. Paste it inside the app.py file. Step 2. Now we have to create 6 HTML files, 1 file for each route. Make sure to name the files same as mentioned in routes. Step 3. Code for index.html file, create div element with list of 5 links in it. Now ChatGPT is generating HTML code for our home page. Copy this code. Paste it inside the index.html file. Let's start our server. This is our home page. We will add styles later. Now we need to create code for all these HTML files. Code for JPG to PNG.html file. Display input form and submit button. On click, check if the image is selected, it's a JPG format and less than 5 megabytes. If true, send a post request to our server, else display relevant errors. Copy this. Paste it. ChatGPT is generating HTML and JavaScript code according to our prompt. Copy this code. Paste it inside JPG to PNG.html. Now for the rest of the HTML files, do the same. Just change image format in the prompt. And generate code for all files. Our static HTML files are ready. Let's restart the server. Refresh this page. Now we are getting this input field and submit button in all pages. Step 4. Client side is done, now we have to work on server-side code. We need to create all these routes for our server. For Flask server, create route with post method. Take image from parameter, convert it to PNG format. Make a response object with image as attachment and return it. Copy this code. Go to ChatGPT and paste it. Now ChatGPT is generating code to convert JPG into PNG. Copy this. Paste it inside the app.py file. Don't forget to install these dependencies. Our JPG to PNG converter is ready. Do the same process for the rest of the routes. This is the prompt for PNG to JPG converter. Paste it here. And this is the code for the PNG to JPG route. Copy this. Paste it here. This is the prompt for Web to PNG converter. Paste it here. And this is the code for the Web to PNG route. Copy this. Paste it here. This is the prompt for BMP to PNG converter. Paste it here. And this is the code for the BMP to PNG route. Copy this. Paste it here. This is the prompt for PNG to PDF converter. Paste it here. And this is the code for the PNG to PDF route. Copy this. Paste it here. Our server-side code for the image converter is ready. It's almost 100 lines long. Let's start the server. Refresh this page. Let's try Web to PNG converter. Click here and select any web image. Click on Convert to PNG button. And it says the image is converted successfully and also our image is downloaded. Let's try JPG to PNG converter. Select JPG file and click Convert to PNG button. It's converted successfully. Let's try a PNG to JPG converter. Let's try PNG to PDF converter. Select PNG image and click Convert to PDF button. It's converted successfully. This is the PDF file. Step 5. Let's add some CSS to make it look better. Just ask ChatGPT to write some CSS code. Paste all CSS code into style tag. Let's restart the server. Refresh the page. And this is how it looks. Well, I don't like it. So I will write some CSS code myself. Finally, our website is ready. I have added a navigation bar, footer, and CSS styles. For each page, I also wrote some text explaining how to use this tool. Click here and select any JPG image. I added JavaScript code to show a preview of the image. Use ChatGPT for generating that code. Click on the Convert button and the image will be converted. Now we can deploy this app to the cloud. I will use Python anywhere. Sign up and go to the dashboard. Click on the web app. New web app. Flask. Select the Python version. Click Next. Go to Files. Open Flask app file. Copy our Python code. Paste it here and save it. Now create a new folder for HTML templates. Upload all 6 HTML files. Upload favicon image. Click on the web. Reload this app. Open our website. Our web app is deployed successfully and it's live. You can visit this website to see if it's real. Let's try PNG to PDF converter. Select any PNG image and click on Convert to PDF button. And the image is successfully converted. This is the converted PDF file. Our online tool website is working and live. Now we can make money with Google AdSense. Just get the AdSense approval and then every time someone visits our site, we will make money by displaying Google ads. Check out this website, link is in the description. I will add more functionalities later. You can buy a top-level domain to get AdSense approval. If you want to make money online, then this is the best way. Build a tool website and make money by displaying Google ads. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.